Okay, show me your 2.
It's not like that.
That's a 5.
It's not like that, but it's like this.
Now having you write like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Do that.
Where are you right?
No.
That one?
I want you to have that to look at. No, I'm not going to tickle you. It's better. Okay, now write a 3. No. Good, don't.